In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play King Legacy on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access King Legacy on any mobile device. This is going to work for Android or iOS. All that you have to do is open Roblox on any mobile device, and using the search function, you will be able to look for King Legacy. So use the search function and find King Legacy. It should be the first result. Because it is a very popular experience, it is always being recommended. You can confirm that it is the official one because it has 3 billion visits and 90% likes. So you can read the description if you would like to learn more. Fruits spawn on the map every 1 to 2 hours. They spawn 15 minutes. First time you join the game, you have a 0.1 chance to get a free Conqueror ability. And with that out of the way, all that you have to do now is go ahead and join. You will load into the experience and you are ready to play. So you can talk to other players, you can interact with them, or just play alone, whatever you prefer. Keep in mind that if the game looks glitched, it's because it's still loading. So as you saw there, it was still loading for a while. And now you can walk around, interact with the NPCs, and start playing. So you can talk to them here. You will be able to accept quests from others. And then get your abilities and your level up. You have options here at the right side of the screen to control your camera and movement. And you can acquire new fruits, buy a hotkey, set sail to other seas, and see all of the players around. You will be able to go over to the menu to see all of the options available for you. You can ally with other players who are on the same server as you. You can see your inventory, see the option to create a crew, and there is a lot to explore. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm not going to do something like a beginner's guide because there is a lot to go over, but still, you will be able to learn by simply joining the server and playing. I hope I was able to help you on how to play King Legacy on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.